Hello guys, welcome to the 17th session of Create Custom Alexa Skill using AWS Lambda function tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn how to use Skillinator. Skillinator is a web tool used to generate sample Lambda function from our interaction models JSON. Let us open skillinator.io in the browser. Here we need to paste interaction model. Let us copy JSON from our skill. Paste it here and click on generate. Here Lambda function for this interaction model is created. Let us copy it and paste it in VS Code for proper syntax highlighting. Currently it generates a template based on SDK v1. Maybe it will have updated to v2 when you are watching. Here is the first section containing text variables. Then load Alexa SDK and create handles. By default it creates help, cancel, stop and session end request. Here is hello intent that we have created. This template simply generates the response using askActionName. Next is display greeting, in which we have the slot for person name. Here its value is retrieved, so we do not need to care about this too. The same thing performs for favorite language. Unhandled is special kind of handler. It will execute when none of above handler match. It will create sample handlers for all intents, and if it contains lots, then obtain its value. After creating those handlers, it was registered with skill and exported module. Here are some helper class that we can use. Many people use this when they want to create a skill from scratch. It's great tool, but as I said previously, currently it does not support version 2 SDK. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.